today we're going to go over one of the most popular ways companies get hacked, and this is phishing. It all starts with an email that you receive. It looks as if it's coming from a legitimate source, Microsoft in this case, and it's saying that Katie Spencer, who's a colleague of yours in the simulated environment, has shared a file with you, and it has a link to that file. Almost everything about this email looks right, except for the address of the sender. So if you look closely, you realize that there's a mistake in the address of the sender, and that's a tell that this is malicious. But most people click on the link, and that leads to compromise. So let's see how this goes. I click on the link, and it takes me to a page that almost looks as if it's legitimate again. It looks like a Microsoft login page. There's my email address written there. I can type my password, but if I look at the address or the URL at the top, it will always be off. So that's the best tell that you have. Always check the URL, make sure, double check, triple check, make sure that nothing's wrong. But most users will type their passwords here and submit, and that's it. The password's now with the hacker. You've been compromised. And it's a very common scenario, but this is very easily preventable. The first thing that you can do is check the source of emails. Always make sure that the address is right. Hover over the contact, make sure the address is right. If there's a typo, then something's wrong. The second thing is verify the domain or the URL of a page that you visit. If it looks off, if it doesn't look right, don't navigate. And when in doubt, always ask someone. Another thing that you can do is use a password manager. A password manager will automatically fill passwords on your behalf, but it won't on pages that it doesn't recognize.